Hey guys, it's Monday, July the 17th. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Ready to make some money this week. There's going to be lots of news announcements from overseas, like Australian dollar tonight, pound tomorrow. So those are going to be some movers. So got to keep an eye on those. They're going to start out with the pound dollar, as it's made a sell-off from Friday. And if you did get in these opportunities right here to get in, you're in pretty good money right now. But like I said, tomorrow, well actually during Europe session tonight, they have big news for the pound, so there's going to be movement on that thing, one way or the other. Right now it's in sell mode, and 4-hour agrees with it. So Aussie dollar is in a sell too, but there's not been any retracement except for today, a little bit, not much. So it's still a sell on the 1 hour and a sell on the 4 hours. So both of those agreed, but that sure looks like, especially on that there's going to be some kind of retracement up a little bit on the Aussie dollar. Euro CAD's in a sell. Those were the only opportunities you had with no wicks. Euro CAD 4 hour is in a sell also. So those are in agreement. CAD yen is a buy from this morning. It just ran straight up, really had no opportunity. So you're hoping for a pullback back down into here somewhere to be able to get in long. It's on the 1 hour CAD yen. 4 hours made a buy signal. Again, you're hoping for a little pullback down into here to have a chance to go long on the CAD yen with a low risk trade. Odd yen, 4 hour buy. You're hoping that's going to come back down in here because you really didn't have a chance. So you're hoping for a pullback down into here to get in long. And still a sell on the odd yen, which would be in agreement. It would be a pullback back down into here. But see, that's not going to be a buy signal just yet on the 1 hour. Like I said, Aussie's got news tonight, later tonight, so there's going to be movement on that thing. So you have to be careful. Pound Aussie still in a 1 hour buy. It didn't come up there that far. Still in a 1 hour buy. The Aussie 4 hour, pound Aussie 4 hour is still in a sell. Just had a retracement right there. So that one's going to be a mover tonight too, big, because it's the Aussie and the pound together. Pound CAD's got a 1 hour sale going on. If you missed any of these, there was your chance to get in short, and there you go, you're in the money right now. 4 hours in the sell too, both of those are in agreement. Pound yen, 1 hour sell. There's your poke up into here to get in the sell again. It's moved some, not a whole lot, but it has moved some. Pound yen 4 hours made a 4 hour buy. So those aren't in agreement. Euro New Zealand made a 1 hour sell, has continued climbing higher. We're going to look for a sell opportunity coming up on that. 4 hours, still no signals. Still in a sell, has not made a buy. So it could be more upside to the Euro New Zealand. A little bit more. Pound New Zealand's probably going to look the same way. And it does. There's the buys going up, looking higher. New Zealand yen is in a 1 hour sell. Is in a buy. So those are in agreement. See the way that New Zealand yen just ran up straight on the 4 hour. You're looking for a pullback down into here to be able to go long, but you're going to need a pullback, and it would agree with the 1 hour. The only thing is the pullback's only going to be onto there. So careful on the New Zealand yen. Euro yen has made a 1 hour sell. And 4 hour has a buy. It just ran up again. You're looking for an opportunity to go long. You pull back down into here. It'd be nice to go long on the Euro yen 4 hour. 1 hour. Yeah, that would be good. Down in here, so you could have that's 1 hour sale, could be good. Sell off down in here and then turn around. Euro odds 1 hour sell. That doesn't look like that's done to the upside. Same thing on it. You didn't get a pullback. You're looking for a big pullback on that. Down to here. The 4 hour is, I think it came up to where the sell. Yes, it did twice, right there and right there, on for a sell. So those would be in agreement right now. Euro Aussie sales. So that's everything for today. Appreciate the likes and the subscribes. Like I said, I'm not one of these guys or people on YouTube that are, trying to grab 100,000 subscribers and 10,000 likes. So I'm more about teaching trading and being successful, not trying to get a check from YouTube. So you can figure out if the rest of them out there want it or not, but I'm convinced they don't. I don't see anybody trading successfully. I don't call successful, oh, they got 6 pips today, whenever the trade could have wound up being over 100, and they got a little bitty piece of the pie, very little, but they've got to do that so many times perfectly to be able to make money. I've been down that road. It doesn't work. I like the way I do it better. It's a swing trading with a low risk trade. May have to carry it over a day or 2 or 3. I've carried it over for 9 days a trade before because it kept trending in the direction I was in. There's no reason to get out, so it wound up being big. But I hope everybody gives a good night. We'll have a new video for you tomorrow, and I'll update on the news for live streaming. About another week and a half, I'm planning on live streaming. Be from about 7:45, 8 o'clock Eastern time, U.S. I'll be starting and go until 11:30ish in the morning, and then I'll have another one later in the day to see how everything was doing, because sometimes there's setups right at the close and right at the first of the Asian session that will carry over into the nighttime into the Europe session. So be watching for those too, but we'll see you guys tomorrow.